We are going to make a test trip with our camperized T4 Syncro van, and my wife attaching some 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒 figure. Watching wannabe Overlander rebuilding by Overland vehicle. So hello from wannabe Overlander YouTube channel, and this episode we are going to make a test trip with our camperized T4 Syncro van, and my wife attaching some 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒 figure into our mirror, and it's Midsummer festival coming. It's called Juhannus here in Finland. I hope this trip going well. Our van is quite full packed now, and we have barbecue equipment, little bit beer and something. And I just a little bit rinsed the van, so the garage dust is gone. It was very stressful couple of weeks. I'm running to get this van in this point, and now I get some summer holiday a little bit and not fixing any cars. Perhaps rest of the summer I'm going to enjoy driving with my van, few trips here in Finland, and with my Cadillac some summer meetings and etc. Let's hit the road. So let's testing our new navigation setup. So it's a 1 hour driving to our destination. So and do it working. I don't get the voice. I had a wrong side the plug. So now I have audio from my CarPlay to my stereo aux. So we are here going to Porkkala, somewhere 𝐓𝐔𝐘𝐒, Ring Road 3, and anything seems to be fine. We have driven now 86 kilometers altogether after master overhaul the whole van and camper setups. So our cargo space, there is a barbecue equipment and something with us. So this is it. This feels very comfortable driving here in the small road, have lots of curves. Our navigation system have only one small problem. It's have annoying sound. I think it's need some resistor or some kind of, I don't know what's that name, electronic part to take out that. I think it's come from the charger, from the alternator. But the van works very nice, I feel, and it's comfortable driving here in the curvy roads. It's like some kind of serpentine road, zigzag.
Tiellä Tullandintie 1,5 kilometriä.
We are almost here, end of the Porkkala Niemi, and this Porkkala was 60 years, or I don't remember, 50 years Soviet Union military base. Second World War, Finland need to keep this Porkkala Cape to to the Soviet Union because they want to have a military base to see European invaders. But we are start to getting here. This is the one parking place, but not where we are going. So this was a closed military base and Finnish people didn't have access to this area for a long time, but now this is public place and there is a fireplaces and public park. How about your first night sleeping in this?
Cold, but we don't open heater for
This-
warm. We just try now. But last night little bit cold.
First night sleeping here
But sleep very well.
in our T4 after this rebuild. Last night drink beer to 2 a.m. and then came to sleep here. And yeah, it's good sleep. Little bit cold night. Now in the morning we open diesel heater and testing that also, and it seems to be very nice and it's very cozy here. This diesel heater stainless steel splitter, air splitter, is hot if touch here, so better not leave the curtain over here hanging, but the pipes are fine. So first morning here in our camperized T4, and we just barbecue a little bit sausage. We come to eat here in the van because there is rain and it's normal for Juhannus weather. Should stop afternoon, so then we can be outside more. But we are very cozy here. We just run our van a little bit, so here is warm, cozy. We have some 𝐓𝐘𝐒 and sausage, beer and mustard. So now it's about 4 p.m. here in Porkkala, previous Soviet Union military zone, but now this is free for Finland citizens again. And last night was weather kind of okay-ish. It was colder than a couple of previous Juhannus, Midsummer, but I think it's not for the climate change. I think it's some kind of yearly change. It's a little bit different every year. You could not have exactly same weather every year, so that's okay. And there was no rain here in Porkkala, but today morning there was a small rain in here. Those my friends, they were chickens and they ran home, but I kind of understand they has only tents. If they have a power, wait a few hours, because now it's already very good weather. Clouds move aside and sun come back, and we could have today very nice weather to continue this Juhannus. And I'm very kind of comfortable with this van now, and we're chilling out here. My wife is sleeping there in the bed and testing almost everything, and we need to make some minor changes here, like we need some rope there to drying towels or etc. But those are small things, and we will continue some short trips in here in Finland in this summer, and we could see what we need to fix or what we need to change. But we are going there, we are getting there. Sorry about my voice is a little bit gone because of a little bit drinking, too much stress and everything, but now I feel happy, exactly 100% happy, chilling out here and get this van to this point. We will fix those small things and waiting to when we get ready to get some longer trips.
Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid. I feel like everyone's a stranger. Small talk with your narcissistic neighbor. She's real hot, but they said to never date her. I agree, but you did.
Yeah, this parking place, I added this to the iOverlander map several years ago, and this is quite nice place to sleeping. It's not a camping spot, so you don't open your gears around the car, but for sleeping overnight and hiking outside.
near of the ocean coast. This is very empty now and is Juhannus Midsummer party time, but because today have a several time rain, so here's nobody right now, just the one car with us. And here is the map of the 𝐄𝐍𝐉𝐎𝐘. So this parking spot is here. You could hiking to the end of the Pampsgatan and around here. Here is a viewpoint. This is the highest place. Several fireplaces and toilets, public toilets and etc. So this is a very nice place, ex-military place. And here is the GPS coordinates. Yeah, that was our couple of first nights with our camper van, and it went well. I'm quite happy with this, and we slept good 2 nights, and we have air enough there because I have that secondary air unit here in the back, and if I leave that flap open there, I show you when I build it, I make some kind of a strap where I can pull that flap open so the air canal is open in the back. Without the fan, it also gives a little bit air without opening the window. I'm driving home and I clear out our stuff from the van. I could filming a little bit some kind of small van tour. I'm not going to show now because there is lots of anything. My wife cleaning dirt out from the carpet, and then we're driving home.
So that's it. Now we are back in the home garage, and the trip went quite well. And now I'm going to have a little bit summer vacation. I could use my Cadillac and my van, and not building cars, any cars now. I hope never. Just never say never, but just maintain my vehicles what I have now. I'm really boring to do cars. I want to go traveling, and I wait that so much. But the next video I'm going to do full van tour for this van and show you all what I have done. But test trip, test camping, couple of nights went well. I'm very happy with that. And thank you for watching this video, and please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't done yet, and see you in next video, a full van tour.